is caused by the typhoid, and you feel hot and then sweating on all those kind of things. So if you want to solve this problem, lemongrass is very powerful too, a very good remedy, a very powerful remedy, and it works best. It's work powerful. It's very powerful to solve. What you have to do is that you have to boil, you have to get enough, add it to your cooking pot. So welcome back to Plant Lifestyles once again. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Once you like the video, I just check the video that has a lot of likes, and then sit down and plan that. People like such topic, that kind of topic, people like it. So why don't I do extensive video about that? So I'll just do another video exploring deep explanation of what I did, and even add extra benefits and extra details that I didn't add in the first video, for people to also continue enjoying that topic. When I see that same topic also have a lot of likes, then I continue adding up extra leaf to this. Maybe if I was talking about this leaf in the part 3, I'll just teach about how to add this leaf to this to also do something, because I know that this topic they like it, so I'll attach this topic to this. Yes, the leaf its counterpart that makes it also work proper, I'll add that into the another video and extend it. So if I see still people like it, then I do deeper explanation of the two. Then if I see people still like it, then I add the third leaf. I can add up to about 4 leaves, so that that same topic will be expanded. So like the video. Today I'm going to talk about this plant. On this channel we teach leaves, we teach we teach that is plant bark, we teach plant root, we teach the stem, we teach the flower, we teach anything about plant. That is why it is called Plant Lifestyles. Why don't you subscribe to get the benefits of plants? I am into my garden once again, and today I'm teaching about the lemongrass. This is the lemongrass. It smells good. Yes, wow. It smells good. Very, very good. Yeah, it smells good, and the taste is wow. This is a lemongrass used to prepare lemongrass tea. That is, it is used to prepare tea. I'm talking about the benefit of this lemongrass. It will shock you. It's very powerful. People don't respect this plant, but I have it in my garden because this plant is very powerful. It's very powerful in treating that is the physical. It has a physical benefit that is very powerful. One benefit I want to talk about: if you are someone who gets exhausted very easily during the daytime, or didn't have good nights, didn't sleep well, and then in the day you have to go to work and also work harder. If you want to expand your energy and your power to work, don't joke with this plant. Just get some leaves from this plant early in the morning, cook it, that is, put it in your saucepan and apply heat to it. Once the decoction is ready, about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, pour a cup of tea, that is, and then you can put it in your fridge, or you can wait for it to cool down and then take it before you go to work, and you testify the energy level you work with within that day. Yes, another one is those who are suffering from typhoid fever. The typhoid fever is a very dangerous disease that can also kill you very easy. So typhoid fever is very rare and is common in our community. So this fever is caused by the typhoid, and you feel hot and then sweating on all those kind of things. So if you want to solve this problem, lemongrass is very powerful too, a very good remedy, a very powerful remedy, and it works best. It's work powerful. It's very powerful to solve. What you have to do is that you have to boil, you have to get enough, add it to your cooking pot, boil it, and then get enough, get a little big larger cooking pot, add it in the morning, take a cup of tea, full cup, and then you can do whatever you want to do. In the afternoon, take half a cup. Listen to the this thing will any cup like this can do. Yeah, any normal tea cup. I'm not talking about big cup, but normal tea cup. You take full cup, and then afternoon take just a half, and in the evening take a half. We are taking 2 cups a day, but this is how the division goes. In the morning, take full cup. In the afternoon, take half cup. In the evening, take half cup. Or you can do it this way. In the morning, take half cup. In the evening, take half cup. In the evening, take full cup. And you are going to recover from this within just 3 days. Yes. Another benefit of this plant is burning of cholesterol. Yes. That's what I mean. People say you don't grow fat. Not that I don't grow fat. I don't like it. Not that I don't like it too. It's because when you're too fat, the cholesterol level, treating it is something which is difficult. But with lemongrass, you can treat it even when you are fat. That is why you see people say I'm not fat. I don't like the fat in my system because I want to go long. Yes. The fact is that this lemongrass, I have a lot in my garden, other areas, but this one is what I use for my videos, so I don't cut it. I just let it grow nicely. Yes, because this one is what I used to do my videos, but the other ones I used to cut it and make my tea in the morning. Yes. The reason why I'm so slim, I like it, my stomach is flat. Yes, my stomach is flat, and then I eat a lot, but still my stomach is flat. I don't get a bloated stomach. I feel good all the time. Plants are very good. If your friend is the plant, plants, they are living beings, and they can sense us when we come closer to them. But if you are not too deeply into plants, you may not know that plants are also living being where if you get closer to them, they sense it. Yes, they sense it. Let me give you one example of plant that sense immediate appearance of it when you go closer to it. Is the mimosa plant. Once you go closer to it and touch it, it will sense that there's human being or there's a living being or a living thing closer. The same way plants respond to stimuli, but not faster as human beings and animals. Yes, so this plant, I've kept it for my videos, but the other one are for tea. So if you want to burn cholesterol, lose extra weight, and then your belly, you want to drop your belly, get this. Very important. Take it for, let me tell you this, that's why people say when they take this medicine, it doesn't work for them. No, when you are taking herbal tea or you are taking herbal remedy, there is a specific time you have to take. For this lemongrass, for treating stomach, that is your belly is very large, and then you want to reduce it, you can take it for about 2 months continuously. You shouldn't be like 1 week, you say I didn't see any effect. No, that is not how the body started. The body took about years to build that stomach, build that fat in the stomach wall. It took about years to build that cholesterol. So you can't use just a week to build to just lose that cholesterol. There are some medicine that can do that, but any medicine that force the body to do something, they have effect. That's why I like plants, I like natural things. They have effect there, that is negative effect on your life. Those who treat the sickness faster, they force the body to work to stop what the body actions against something, gives you a negative impact later. But these things, they cure it gradually, and when you are done, it is natural. Yes, so you can take it about 2 months. Taking the tea. For that one, you take half a cup in the morning, half a cup in the afternoon, and the evening. You'll be repeating. You can take it 5 times a week. You can take it 4 times a week, but you make sure that it shouldn't be less than 4 times a week. You should be taking it, and the maximum is, as you know, 7 times a week. So if you want the faster, that is the more you take it, like 7 days a day, the more the lot of months of which you have to take to reduce. Yes. So this plant, I want to talk about it, other benefits. Those suffering from malaria in my community, use this plant to treat malaria. When you see a sign of malaria, you see you are feeling that the fever chill, coldness and all that kind of things, and then headache and a lot of things. If you detect that it starts with that kind of symptoms, the old papas and old mamas and the old fathers, old mothers in the community will call for lemongrass. They will just call for lemongrass. They will call the elder brother. Kofi, Abena, come and get some lemongrass for your sister. Your sister is feeling some things like it seems is having the kind of malaria. Just get lemongrass for her. They'll get the lemongrass and prepare tea for her. It's not bitter, but the person will take, and 3 days, 2 days, you see that the malaria will drop. So the person will take it about 1 week and the malaria will vanish. So this plant is very powerful in treating malaria. So I'm giving you a last benefit, that is that's why I say like the video to do extensive benefit. So I'm limiting the benefits. Once the video got a lot of like, I know that people like the topic, and then I'll do extensive video about this. So the next benefit about this plant I want to talk about is for our guys, low sperm count, and then you can't perform in bed. Yes, just get this lemon leaf. When you are going to bed or you are going to bed, you take it only when you are going to bed. When you are going to bed, you take it, and then in the morning you see that your this thing will come up and be greeting you, telling you that it has power in it. So just get the lemongrass, take it in the evening, take a cup, full cup. Even when we are going to do the work, you can take a full cup, it can keep you longer, and then that makes this lemongrass very also special for our guys. Yes, so please subscribe to the channel for more video. There are extensive benefits of this lemongrass that I want to talk about, and even this plantain leaves have a benefit, but it will reach its things. Anything in this garden has its benefit. So once it reaches things, you'll get you notified. Subscribe to the channel and get a lot of videos. Thank you for watching. I like your comment in the comment box, and I like your like. Just like the video and give us a thumb up. That will boost us. Thank you for watching, and thank you for giving us like. See you in the next video. This is Plant Lifestyles.